In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use any font in your WordPress website for free. Part 1. Install and Setup. We'll start right inside your WordPress.com dashboard. Open your browser and go to the Sites area so you can pick the site you want to work on. If you're not already signed in, log in first, then select your site to continue. On the left-hand menu, look for Plugins. This is where you can add extra functionality to your site, including custom typography. If you're on WordPress.com, note that plugin access depends on your plan. The steps here follow the WordPress.com flow. In the Plugins section, use the search bar at the top and type a simple keyword like font or font design. That will narrow down the results to typography tools. From the results, find the option labeled Fonts plugin. Use Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, or Upload Fonts. Click into it to open the full plugin page. Before installing anything, take a moment to review the plugin details. On the Description tab, scan the overview to see what fonts and features are supported. This plugin makes it easy to use free Google Fonts, connect Adobe Fonts, or upload your own files, which is why it's perfect for this tutorial. Switch to the Installation tab to confirm how it's added on WordPress.com, and glance at the changelog to ensure it's actively maintained. The FAQs section is also worth a quick read for answers to common issues like performance, font formats, and how to apply fonts to specific elements. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you through connecting this plugin to a site. If you're creating a new site, you'll see options to search for a domain. Use the Search Domains field to look up a name you like, or continue with a free address if that suits your project. If you already own a domain elsewhere and want to use it on WordPress.com, choose the option to bring it over to WordPress.com. This prompts the domain connection flow, where you'll point your existing domain to your new site. Follow the on-screen prompts and click Continue to proceed. WordPress.com will finalize the setup behind the scenes and prepare your site with the Fonts plugin included. That's all you need to do for this first part. You've found the right plugin, verified its details, and started the setup on the correct site and domain. In Part 2, we'll jump into customizing your typography, selecting fonts, and applying them to headings and body text for a polished, consistent look across your site. For now,